How to buy SoSoValue token. So this token came under the symbol of SoSo. So before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. Before investing in any project that you've under my channel, please do your own research. And also, there is referral links down in the description. You can get free money, rewards on crypto with the best referral links. Go and find your account and enjoy the benefits. Check them out in the description. So before going on buy this token, make sure to check the X account and keep following their updates about this token. So this token is available on CoinGecko, as you can see here. To be able to buy this token, click on markets here and you will be able to see these exchange platforms. So one of these exchange platforms is Mixi. So if you don't have an account on Mixi, go down in the description and you will find a referral link. So go and create an account on it and fund it with some USDT. So after you create an account on Mixi and fund it with some USDT, click on this pair link here. And you will be redirected to this token page to be able to buy it. So go to buy option here, click on limit or markets is the same. Click here to set the amount that you want to buy. And here you will be able to see how much you will be paying of that USDT you have in your account. After that, click on buy SoSo and you will be able to buy the token on your account. So if you click on markets here, drag this to set how much your percentage that you want to use of that USDT you have on your account to be able to use it to buy this token. So after you set how much a percentage of USDT or USDC here, so you can change it here, I guess, or no. So after that, click on buy SoSo and you will be able to buy this token. So this is how to buy SoSoValue token. If you find this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.